I am Devraj. I am a metallurgical engineer. I am working as a senior manager in tractor and farm equipments. Dear brothers and sisters, today is an excellent evening, I can say. It's really an eye-opener to all Hindus. And I was really amazed, astonished, surprised and whatnot about the illustrations given by Dr. Zakir from various Vedas Upanishads. I have to admit, and most of the people here also will admit, it's really a God's gift given to Dr. Zakir. One thing I could notice here is the specification is very clear in Islam for the human being to be followed. In Hindus, it's not clear. It's there, it's not clear. Lot of misinterpretations are there. Lot of interpretations and opinions, beliefs is based on. It is there, but in a different format. My request to the organization is to call Hindu scholars and Hindus and arrange for a debate so that truth will come to surface. So that Hindus and Muslims can become much closer and closer and be together to be together towards the prosperity and unity and peace for the nation and society. Thank you.
The brother has given a very good suggestion and I appreciate him. I do agree with him. It's an eye-opener for many of the Hindus, even for the Muslims. It's an eye-opener even for the Muslims, brother. I'm sure. Is it or not? Yes. And the brother has given a very good suggestion that we should call the Hindu scholars and have a debate, I would say rather a dialogue. And that is again based on the verse of the Quran, which I started my talk with, Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse 64, which says, "Ta'alaw ila kalmatin sawa'in bayna bainakum." Come to common terms as been assigned you. And that's what I'm doing, brother. I'm traveling different parts of India, different parts of the world, having dialogues with scholars of Christianity, of Hinduism. I'm only a student. I'm not a scholar, I'm a student of comparative religion. And I've had discussion dialogues in Kerala with Hindu priests in Bombay. And now there's a request, inshallah, I'll be going to Bangalore very shortly within a couple of months, that Shri Ravi Shankar, he has requested we should have a common dialogue. And when I've heard of the person, Shri Ravi Shankar, he's of great fame. He has got centers in 40 different countries of true living. And if anyone in Madras, if you can organize, brother, if there's any priest in Madras, we would love to have to come on a common platform and have a dialogue. I was there in Madras and I spoke with Shankaracharya of Kashi when I'd come last time, a few months back. And we had a discussion on the issue of Babri Masjid. Asking him some questions and I gave him some clarification of Kashi. And there's no problem, brother. We love it. We are here to come to common terms. If you can arrange, or any brothers out here, non-Muslim or Muslim brothers can arrange any dialogue, just come to common understanding, but get a person who's knowledgeable. You know, knowledgeable of high standard, whether Shankaracharya or top priest, so that we can discuss and come to common terms, live harmoniously, build a big Indian nation.
Do we have